Howdy and welcome to the Mighty Mo Chuck channel. I'm Chuck. As some of you may have noticed, I've kind of changed the way I've been doing the videos. I've started using OBS software that ties in with the webcam. I previously was using the VSDC software, and I still use it for my editing, but for the video capture, I moved over to the OBS system. You know, it's used for streaming as well as, recording video. The reason I did that is the VSDC system was starting to have more and more problems with the lip sync, and I'm not sure why. This doesn't seem to have that problem, but it had another problem. It has that gray screen, and then luckily with my system, the gray screen faded away, and I came out of it, and it started working right. With some people, the gray screen, it just sticks. But anyway, what I did is I went to the settings, I went to output, I went to the recording, and then where it says custom, well, actually it doesn't say custom, it says standard. And from standard, I changed it to custom, and that's to custom FFmpeg in my case. You may have a different custom, but my custom was FFmpeg. And that seemed to straighten out the problem with the gray screen. Yes, it did. It really did. It did. Okay, different subject. Billy Bingo is now fully unpublished from Amazon. I've unpublished it from Amazon. It was my decision, just to be clear on that. There's nothing from Amazon that caused me to unpublish it. It was my decision. The reason I unpublished it from Amazon is I want to use the content from Billy Bingo, and I want to put it on my website, sayada.net, in the M directory. I'm making some changes as I publish it to the website so that it will fit better with my other series, Erotic Domination of Planet Earth. The Erotic Domination of Planet Earth and Billy Bingo, they will tie together. It's just Billy Bingo will be on my website. Erotic Domination of Planet Earth will be published on Amazon. I'm hoping by doing it this way where people can freely read Billy Bingo, it will help sell Erotic Domination of Planet Earth. To be clear, I'm not angry with Amazon about anything, although other people have had issues and problems you may have read about in some of the different forums with Amazon. I have not had any problems with Amazon personally as far as threats from Amazon or anything like that. I decided on my own to uncheck the boxes so that my books would not automatically re-enroll under Kindle Select, Kindle Unlimited. It was my decision. Will I ever put my books back into Kindle Select, Kindle Unlimited? I might. I've been out of it before, and I put them back in it. I'm fickle that way. But right now, they're out of Kindle Select, Kindle Unlimited. And one thing I wanted to mention is I unchecked all the boxes of all my books so they would not automatically re-enroll for that next 90 days in Kindle Select, Kindle Unlimited. And then the next day, when I went to check to make sure they were out of Kindle Select, Kindle Unlimited, some of the books actually were not out of Kindle Select, Kindle Unlimited. They had re-enrolled. It's not a huge deal. You've got about 3 days to uncheck those boxes to pull them back out of Kindle Select, Kindle Unlimited. I'm not sure on the number of days, so don't quote me on that, but you do have 1, 2, or 3 days, somewhere in there, to uncheck the box and get your books back out of Kindle Select, Kindle Unlimited after they're enrolled. So it wasn't a huge deal, but like if I had waited, say, 5 or 6 days to look back at it, to check it, I couldn't have pulled them back out. Some people, send an email and they request their books be pulled out. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't. I'm not criticizing other people that have done that. I'm just saying I wouldn't do that. So it's easier, to catch it and uncheck the box if you don't want your book in Kindle Select or Kindle Unlimited. It's a pretty good program. Some people have made a good bit of money on it. I'm not being critical of Amazon. I'm not being critical of the program. I'm not being critical of the people who are still in the program. It's just a personal decision. To each his own. And like I said, I may change my mind in the future. I have changed my mind in the past. No longer part of Kindle Unlimited means I can no longer do the free days. And so basically, the free part is going to be on the website, and the Billy Bingo part of the story will be free. And hopefully I'll make some money from advertisements as well as, selling books, because the objective is to make money. If that makes me sound... I don't know what it makes me sound like. Hungry, maybe. I need to make some money, man. So anyway, that's my plan. Is the Billy Bingo will be on Seattle.net. Erotic Domination of Planet Earth. I'm leaving that on Amazon, and I will start adding back to that series on Amazon. I'm not going to put it part of Kindle Select, Kindle Unlimited. Some of the books will be priced at 99 cents. Some of them will be priced at $2.99. I may start going more toward the $2.99 because the objective is to make money, like I said. And I really do need to make money. Now, on the subject of making money, I have added WooCommerce. That's a plugin for WordPress. I've added it to my WordPress installations. That's WooCommerce. And I'm not using it to sell products to actually sell directly or ship directly. Instead, I'm using it for an affiliate store to promote products from Amazon and perhaps later from some other retailers. So like when I publish Billy Bingo and I put ads within the Billy Bingo story, they will link to products that I have listed in my affiliate store setup. That's the way I'm planning on doing it. I'm also thinking about getting inwoods.com back started. That was a storefront where I directly sold products that I shipped, and also I had physical stores back when I was doing that. I've been thinking about getting it back started. I'm not sure. So if I get it back started, then I will also use the affiliate store on Seattle.net and Seattle.com. I'll use the affiliate stores to also promote products that I'm directly selling and shipping on inwoods.com if I get inwoods.com back going. The problem with inwoods.com is the main supplier that I was using back in the day, they've gone out of business, so they're no longer there. And it's hard to come up with products to sell. I've considered to do some drop shipping. I'm not sure about that yet. I'm just thinking about it. So anyway, that's the way I'm trying to get more advertisement sales, is to get the affiliate store set up and then a link to the products in the affiliate stores, and hopefully increase my commission level that way. In addition, like I said, on the Billy Bingo, I'm going to promote the Erotic Domination of Planet Earth stories because they're part of the same universe. They will tie together. It's not like the people on Amazon will not be able to see the Billy Bingo stories because I have the my writer profile set up so that my blog, Seattle.net.m directory, so that it shows up in my author profile page that Amazon hosts. So people will be able to see what I'm doing, and if they're interested in reading Billy Bingo, that they'll be able to come to the website to read Billy Bingo. And of course, you don't want to get carried away with linking, within your ebooks, but I don't think it's against the rules, so that I can link, in the Erotic Domination of Planet Earth, from those books, link back to where I have the Billy Bingo stories. I don't think that would be against Amazon rules, although you don't want to overdo that kind of thing because, it's a certain line, you don't want to cross there, and it's not always easy to see that line, but you don't want to cross it. And I will double check to make sure that Amazon does allow links to the blog. And I don't think that they would oppose it because within that writer profile, they have it set up where they pull the feed to put a listing of your blog entries onto your author profile. So I wouldn't think it would be against the rules, but I will double check that. So anyway, but the point is the people that's buying the Erotic Domination of Planet Earth, they will know where they'll be able to read the Billy Bingo part of the story. I don't think that will be an issue. I don't think that will be a problem. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking about doing, trying to build the revenue up from my internet operations. That's one aspect of it. I'm thinking about some other stuff, which I'll get into in a different video. Much thanks for watching and listening. I do appreciate it. I do.